So I want to show you quickly this the Queen Deluxe Advent Calendar, the one with something. Deluxe Quality Edition, as you can see there, quality one piece. I ordered this from an ad online, and it was a company in China. It looked cool. I love Queen. And you can see the picture here, which you can't really see because when you, it's a little tiny thumbnail, as you can see. So when I want to click on it to see it, what happens is I get, of course, that. So the website and the link is dead. Any live website that was associated with the sale is now dead. I've tried several times. I'm just showing you now. And every path as possible is dead. So here's a better picture I found in a Google search because it's still out there on some dubious website domain. And there it is. That's what I expected. This was ordered in, I think, late September. And it just disappeared forever. I tried to email them to find out where it was, couldn't find it. It wasn't coming in the mail. There was no record of it. Finally, randomly today, it shows up in the mail. Today is December 16th. I want to show you what showed up in the mail. And it's, let's see what we got here. I've never unboxed this yet, my Advent calendar. So let's go ahead. It's December 16th, so I can open 16 days here. Let's see what's in the Queen Advent calendar. Pictured here. So I guess it's technically not wrong, except it's not really the same pictures, but you wouldn't expect it to be identical. But I would not expect it to be a photocopied piece of shit. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, I accidentally punctured 14, but that's okay, because it's the 16th today. What do we got inside? Let's see. We got a piece of keychain. I don't know what that is. I'm going to guess Roger Taylor, but I doubt it. Let's go to number one. Let's go to number one, shall we? Oh, it's all taped up, so it's a little bit hard to, what do we got? Let's see here. Oh, well, it's a Queen wristband. All right, good. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to complain about this, except maybe the quality of it. But as you can see, it's Freddie. It's legit, but the back is plastic. It's not metal, but that's okay. You know, just because I'm used to metal, I prefer it. It's a little less environmentally stable than plastic, but you know. Okay, so we got, what else we got? Three. Oh, I punctured three. No, three's up here. Two's up here. They're up high. Doesn't matter because I got to open them all because it came so late. Oh, it's another button. Oh, someone's at the door. I got to pause it. Okay, we got number two. We got a button. The button again is Freddie. I only got one hand because I'm trying to shoot this, but you can see Freddie singing there. So legit. I don't know about the quality of the buttons or the prints, but you know what? It's a button. I'm happy. I don't know if it's worth a deluxe, but we'll see. Oh, that one was full of tape. Oh, we got a piece of metal and a broken chain here. What do we got? A pendant. Okay, that's Queen, Freddie. It's a metal pendant. Probably made from lead. Okay, let's see what we got here. Again, plastic, but you know, they're all legit. They're all Freddie and they're all Queen. I haven't seen any other members of Queen yet, but you know, okay. 5. Who is it? Freddie once again. Hey, you know what? It's all Freddie merch, which is awesome. Again, Freddie. But, you know, where's the rest of the band, guys? All right, there he is, the boss. Okay, we're on number... I mean, you can see inside, it's just a plastic tray. Couldn't even use paper. Oh, it's a Minion! Sweet! I was always wondering why you never see Minions in Queen merchandise. And it just apparently stands with a ray gun. Not even a musical instrument. Okay. What else we got here? More Freddie. That's great. I love it. Any of my friends who love Freddie, you will be getting some gifts from me. Oh, look. It's the exact same thing as before. Perfect. Look. Oh. In case you wanted to. Okay, where are we now? We're at a wristband. Pretty much the same as the other one, just in the black. Okay, that was 10. Oh no, it's all one. Don't ask too many questions about the structures inside, because they certainly don't follow the dates. Where are we? 7. 7. Oh! Everything happens in 3s, right? Sorry about the shaky camera work. I'm not a YouTube guy. So there's 3 of those. All right, however. Freddie Queen. You know, I gotta say, you know, you don't feel it in the video, but they feel pretty lightweight and kind of cheap. I'm not gonna assume they're gonna fall apart in 2 days, but they're gonna fall apart in 2 days. All right. What do we got here wrapped up in 10? Oh, we've got figurines. Perfect. Did you know there was any these in Queen? I'm pretty sure that's not even from I Want to Break Free video or any live concerts. So it's just a little French-made Japanese style with a some kind of tool, like a hammer, as you do, right? When you're dressed in your French-made outfit. The F. All right. 13. What are we at? 13? We got 13. Oh, look, I had to smash open 2 to get in there. It's okay, because there's only 1 choice anyway. And today, it's a Lego... It's some kind of Lego night. Yeah, it's a Lego night. And I guess the connection is Queen... The Queen Knights people is my best guess. All right. Once again, Queen, but that's a repeat again. 15. Oh, look, there's something I forgot up here, because not to worry, it's the exact same thing. What do we got here? Oh, right. I have no idea what the frig this is. So you can see a little more clearly here that is a, I don't know what that is. I mean, yeah, it's numbers. It's the cheapest metal you can imagine. And I don't know what its purpose is other than to sit in a landfill somewhere at some point. Okay, what date are we on? We're the 16th, so let's keep going. 15, 16 is ripped, but that's okay because it's bottomless. Another wristband, another white one. Anybody wants one, just put it down in the message board. And we've got a bobblehead, some type, Wonder Woman, I guess? Yes, the crown on the head tells me, it suggests it's Wonder Woman. If you know differently, because I don't watch these superhero movies, if you know differently, then you let me know, but looks like a Wonder Woman to me. And of course, she would be the lead singer of Queen, right? What the hell is this? What's this? Oh, let's go for, what is it? Oh, it's a coin, a metal coin, which is no doubt the shittiest metal known to man. I've seen your Russian hacker videos. Let's check it. I guess maybe I'll send it to him. He can cut it open. Jesus, does anybody want a Freddy button? I've got a few to go around. Let's open the rest because it's all fucking garbage anyway. Well, another one for good measure. I think that's the 4th one. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, another pendant with the same pendant as before. And then finally, on the 24th on Christmas Eve, you are going to get what I already opened, which is more shit. So Merry Christmas, everybody, from these Chinese drop shippers who advertise on Facebook and on Google on the internet. Think twice before you buy anything from these idiots, because this is the stuff they're sending you. They're garbage, what I call pre-landfill. So even though I love Queen and I'm going to, you know, find some use for all of this, let's face it, it's all garbage. What am I going to do with this case now? Well, you know what? It's good. I can give it to my son for his cars. So at least something useful came out of this. Goodbye.